How to check disk usage of directory and bandwidth usage. If you are receiving a disk space usage warning or a write failed message and want to know which directory or folder is using larger space, watch this tutorial and see how you can check usages. Log into your cpanel account and you will be on this page. Let's check the disk usage. Go to the Files section and click the Disk Usage. Here you can check disk usage by files in the home directory, hidden subdirectory, and MySQL. Total disk usage is also mentioned here. Here you can arrange your directories as per their disk usage. You can also click on their name and further see the disk usage by individual files and folders. Now let's check the bandwidth usage. Go back to the home page. Scroll down to the Metrics section and click Bandwidth. Here you can see the monthly bandwidth usage of your domain. In case you need more disk space or bandwidth, ask your hosting provider to send a quotation. Thank you for watching.